In this video, we'll be discussing the many benefits of building a frugal library. Not only will it save you money, but it will also reduce clutter in your home and promote reading habits. And the best part, it's completely free. So sit back, grab a cozy blanket, and let's dive into the benefits of free entertainment. Benefit 1: saving money. Are you tired of breaking the bank every time you want to add a new book, movie, or album to your collection? Well, I have some great news for you. Building a frugal library can help you save a ton of money. Let's start with books. Have you ever walked into a bookstore and cringed at the price tag of a new release? It's no secret that books can be expensive, but with a frugal library, you can borrow books for free. That's right, free. No more spending $15, $20 on a single book. You can borrow as many books as you want, as often as you want, without spending a dime. But it's not just books that can save you money. Movies and music can be just as expensive, if not more so. But with a frugal library, you can borrow movies and music for free as well. No more spending $20 or more on a new DVD or CD. You can borrow them for free. And the best part is, you get to try before you buy. If you love a movie or an album and want to add it to your collection, you can always buy it later. And let's not forget about streaming services. With a frugal library, you can access streaming services for free through your library. Some libraries even offer free trials for streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video. In short, building a frugal library is an easy and convenient way to access free entertainment and save a lot of money. So, whether you're a bookworm, a movie buff, or a music lover, building a frugal library is a smart move for your wallet. Benefit 2: reducing clutter. Building a frugal library can help you reduce clutter and create a more minimalist lifestyle. Let's start with books. How many books do you have sitting on your shelves that you've never even read? Or maybe you've read them once, but you'll never read them again. With a frugal library, you can borrow books instead of buying them, which means you don't have to worry about them taking up precious space in your home. You can borrow as many books as you want, and when you're done, you simply return them. But it's not just books that can add to the clutter in your home. Movies and music can be just as bad, if not worse. With a frugal library, you can borrow movies and music instead of buying them, which means you don't have to worry about them taking up precious space in your home. And the best part is, you can try before you buy. If you love a movie or an album and want to add it to your collection, you can always buy it later. In short, building a frugal library is an easy and convenient way to reduce clutter in your home. It allows you to access free entertainment without having to worry about the items taking up precious space in your home. So, whether you're looking to create a more minimalist lifestyle or just want to free up some space in your home, building a frugal library is a smart move. Benefit 3: promoting reading. Are you tired of feeling guilty for not reading enough? Or maybe you just don't know where to start when it comes to finding new books? Well, I have some great news for you. Building a frugal library can help you promote reading habits and discover new books that you'll love. Think about it. With a frugal library, you have access to a vast collection of books, all for free. That means you can try out new authors and genres without having to spend a dime. And let's be real, who doesn't love free things? With so many options available, you're bound to find a book that you'll love. But it's not just about the cost. Building a frugal library can also promote reading as a habit. With a library card, you can borrow as many books as you want, as often as you want. This makes it easy to always have a new book on hand, which can encourage you to read more. And if you're not sure where to start, the librarians at your local library can help you find books that match your interests. Reading has many benefits for both our mental and emotional well-being. It can help reduce stress, improve focus and concentration, and even boost our emotional intelligence. With a frugal library, you can access these benefits without spending a dime. In short, building a frugal library is an easy and convenient way to promote reading habits and discover new books that you'll love. So whether you're a bookworm or just looking to start reading more, building a frugal library is a smart move for both your wallet and your well-being. How to build a frugal library. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Are you ready to start building your own frugal library? Well, you're in luck because it's easier than you might think. In this chapter, I'll be showing you how to find local libraries and library systems, how to utilize library resources, and how to take advantage of other frugal entertainment options. First things first, you'll need to find your local libraries and library systems. This is as easy as a quick Google search or checking out your local government website. Once you've located your local government website, once you've located your local libraries, it's time to join. Joining a library is usually free and only requires proof of residence, such as a driver's license or utility bill. Now that you've joined your local library, it's time to start utilizing all the resources it has to offer. Most libraries offer books, movies, and music for borrowing, but you can also find ebooks and audiobooks and also find ebooks. You can borrow these items by visiting the library in person or by using the library's online catalog to reserve items and pick them up later. But that's not all. Libraries also offer other resources, such as access to streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video for free. Some libraries even offer free trials for streaming services. And if you're looking for something to do on a budget, many libraries offer free community events, such as book clubs, movie screenings, and music performances. In short, building a frugal library is an easy and convenient way to access free entertainment. By finding your local libraries and library systems, utilizing library resources, and taking advantage of other frugal entertainment options, you can enjoy all the benefits of a frugal library without spending a dime. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to start building your own frugal library.